Hello everyone, is your car struggling with sensor-related issues? Does your engine feel off, or is your check engine light suddenly on? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0699, Sensor Reference Voltage C circuit high, it means that a key electrical signal in your vehicle's system is exceeding normal voltage. This can cause multiple sensors to malfunction, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, or even a no-start condition. In this video I'll explain what P0699 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0699? What is P0699? The P0699 Trouble Code stands for Sensor Reference Voltage C Circuit High. Your car's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, provides a 5V reference voltage to various sensors that help control engine performance. If the voltage goes too high, sensors may send incorrect readings, affecting fuel delivery, ignition timing, and overall drivability. Some of the affected sensors include throttle position sensor, TPS, manifold absolute pressure sensor, MAP, crankshaft position sensor, CKP, camshaft position sensor, CMP, fuel rail pressure sensor. When the reference voltage exceeds normal levels, it can cause erratic performance, sensor failure, or even trigger limp mode. Common symptoms of P0699. Common symptoms of P0699. Check engine light on reduced engine power or limp mode. Hard starting or no start, rough idle or stalling. Multiple sensor-related codes appearing together. If your car is showing these symptoms, let's locate the possible problem areas. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0699, you'll need to check these key components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Function, supplies the 5V reference voltage to multiple sensors. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, on the throttle body near the intake manifold. Function, measures throttle position for acceleration control. Manifold absolute pressure sensor, MAP. Location, on the intake manifold or near the throttle body. Function, detects air pressure for fuel adjustments. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP. Location, near the crankshaft pulley or transmission bell housing. Function, monitors engine speed and timing. Camshaft position sensor, CMP. Location, near the timing cover, cylinder head or camshaft. Function, assists the PCM in fuel injection timing. Sensor wiring and connectors location, runs from the PCM to each sensor. Function, transmits the 5V reference signal. Faulty wiring can cause high voltage issues. Common causes of P0699: damaged or shorted wiring. A short circuit in the wiring can send excess voltage to sensors. Faulty PCM. If the PCM malfunctions, it can send incorrect voltage levels. Defective sensor. A bad sensor can create a high voltage feedback loop. Corroded or loose connections. Poor electrical connections can cause unstable voltage. Short to power. If a sensor wire touches a power source, it can send too much voltage into the circuit. How to fix P0699. Step 1. Check PCM voltage output. Use a multimeter to measure the 5V reference voltage at the PCM. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 3. Test individual sensors. Disconnect each sensor and measure the voltage to find the faulty one. Step 4. Check for short circuits. Use a continuity test to see if a wire is touching a power source. Step 5. Replace any faulty sensors or wiring. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and verify the fix. Final words. Ignoring P0699 can lead to multiple sensor failures, unstable engine performance, and fuel inefficiency. Diagnosing and fixing the issue will restore your car's performance and prevent future breakdowns. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0650, malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, control circuit. P0651, sensor reference voltage B, circuit open. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.